there, this is Felix and welcome to Make It Easy. For today's video, we're going to learn a couple of ways to insert an image into a cell in Google Spreadsheets. Now, let's start with a very basic method. Normally, you just click the Insert menu and then select Image. You are given an options on how to insert an image using this method. You can either upload an image, take a snapshot, or even pasting the URL of your desired image you search over the net. And I'll go ahead and use the URL. And then click Select. However, what you are presented is a floating image just like this. As you can observe, the image is not attached to any cell or even a row or a column. This is quite useful for some applications, but what if you want to insert an image into a specified cell, say column D row 10? You can do this by simply using the image function. Click the cell where you wanted to insert the image, type =, image, and paste the URL. And hit Enter. Now you have it. As you can see, the image automatically fits the size of the cell. So whenever you change the size of the cell, say increase its height, the image also comes with it. For this instance, the image comes down with a change of the cell's height. You can fine-tune this type of image function. Within the function, there are 4 different formats. This is the first format. The second one is you had to add comma and number 2 in the format. What this does is to make sure that the image stretches to fit the size of the cell no matter how you manipulate it. For example, let's take a look at the third format. You have to replace the 2 with 3. With the format 3, the image maintains its original size. So no matter how you change the size of the cell, it doesn't affect the size of the image. And for the final option, you can change the 3 with 4 and followed by the 2 numbers separated by a comma, which basically tells the exact size you want your image to be. For example, the numbers after 4 corresponds the height and width of the image respectively. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. And I hope you found this video very useful. Please like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Hello, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how to filter and sort your Google Sheet in order to make them easier to read and comprehensible. So here I have a spreadsheet that contains a list of our product names, the unit of measurement, and the product type. So looking through this spreadsheet, it's quite difficult to distinguish on how many products are being manufactured or being bought in, or how many products with the same unit of measurement without going through the sheet on a line-by-line basis. So let's click this top left square which will select our entire spreadsheet. And then click the filter icon on the upper right hand corner. After clicking the filter icon, it will add a little drop down menu at the top of each column. So let's imagine that we want to sort the sheet of the product name alphabetically. To do that, we need to go to a drop down menu of the product name cell and then click it and choose sort from A to Z. Then we have it. We get the results of the product are being sorted from A to Z. Now, to take this one step further, I probably only want to see products that are being manufactured. To do that, we need to click again the drop down next to the product type. And see, there are blanks both in manufactured options. I'm going to deselect the blanks and both in type in order to see the only manufactured products where the product names are being sorted from A to Z. Another important thing to note is that if you want to turn off all your filters and sorting, just select again your entire sheet and click the filter button. By doing that, it will restore your original unaltered spreadsheet. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Hello, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. For today's video, we'll talk about highlighting duplicates using conditional format. So in Google Sheets, unlike Excel, there's no built-in functional or conditional format in highlighting duplicates. So if I go under the format menu and then conditional formatting, as I selected this and go under the different rules that are available, you will see here that there's no rule in highlighting duplicates. So how can we actually accomplish that? The nice thing is that conditional formatting can be done using the formula, and the idea is we're gonna have a logical test, and if the logical test which turns true, then it will color the cell. Now the first thing to do is to create a formula. So I'm going to start with the equal sign and type a function called COUNTIF. It's a conditional count function. And what I'm going to do is, the first thing, it's gonna be the range. So I'm going to highlighting the entire range of items where I'm checking for duplicates. And lock the range by pressing F4. After pressing F4, we'll go ahead and hit comma. Now the second thing is the criterion. So in this range, what do we want to count? So we want to count if in that range there's another item that matches the item on the current row. The item on the current row, it's gonna be the third cell. So what we were checking, if there's any other items with the exact name in this range. If there's any, we're gonna get and count on how many it is. And go ahead and hit enter. And so I'm getting 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 exactly the same name. Now I'm go ahead and copy the formula going down. So you can see you got 3 of this, 2 of this, 1 of this, and so on and so forth. Now basically if we get 1, it's unique. We only have 1 of this, and everything higher than 1, it means it has duplicates. So how can we convert this to become true or false? It's gonna be easy. What I'm going to do is to go back to my formula and make this a logical test by adding mathematical symbol. So what I'm going to use is greater than sign, because everything greater than 1, it has duplicate. And then hit enter. So the result is being converted to true or false. Every 1 becomes false, and every other numbers greater than 1, it becomes true. So now I made a formula that returns a true or false, so we can use this formula for conditional format. So the next thing is highlighting the duplicate items by copying the formula. Go to the format menu, conditional formatting, apply the range, click OK, then format cells if. We're gonna create a custom formula. Paste the formula and then click done. And that's it. All the duplicate items has been highlighted. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section, and I hope you found this video very useful. Please like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Hi, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how to protect and lock a cell range in Google Sheets so that no one can modify the data except you. I got a Google Sheet open right here and I got some data in it. And let's see that I want to protect the data on these two columns, E and F. All I have to do is go ahead and select the area that I want to protect and right click, scroll down until I get to the protect range option and click it. Now I can go ahead and provide a description for the cell range, and I'm gonna call it cost and sales. Set the permissions right here. I'm going to restrict this so that I am the only person who will be allowed to modify the cell range, and click done, and my changes has been saved. And that's it. You can share your document to anyone, but they can't modify the protected range that we have selected. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section, and I hope you found this video useful. Please like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Hi, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how to add a pop-up calendar date in Google Sheets. You must be using Google Sheets and you're trying to figure out how to put a pop-up calendar inside a cell, just like this one. Let's straightforward how I get in there, so we're gonna go through several steps to show you how. The first step will be selecting the cells where you want to pop up calendar. And we go to data and data validation. This is under the data validation because this process only validates the value of the date. The cell range is what we just highlighted, and the only you have to do is to change the criteria into date. Let's click save, and then the calendar selector will be in here on the cells that were selected or highlighted. Just double click the cells and it's gonna be there. Another thing is, if you want to have a different date format, you can control that by highlighting the cells that you want and going to format, number, and more formats. more date and time format, and change that into whatever format you want. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Hi, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how to split text in Google Sheets. There are even fewer steps to split text in one cell to multiple cells in Google Sheets. First, import your spreadsheet into Google Sheets or make a new spreadsheet and paste the data you want to split. Just select the text or columns and then click the data menu and select the split text to columns. Google Sheets will open a small menu beside the text where you can select to split by comma, semicolon, period, or space, and also the custom character. Just select a delimiter your text uses and Google Sheet will automatically split the text. I'm using this space. Another option is after you paste the data on sheet, you can see a little box in here. Just select the split text to columns. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how to create graph in Google Sheets. So I got a Google Sheets open and I just call it a number of customers data and put some funny numbers in here to use to help you see on how this is done. So the first thing you can notice is that I created a table, and let's say that this number is the number of customers that I collected every month. So the first thing you're gonna do is select the cells that you want to create a table and click Insert Chart button. Or if you don't see the button in your menu, you can go to Insert and then Chart. And two things will be pop up. One is a chart or graph, and the other is a chart editor. So we're gonna go through to customize it. You can either choose a chart of type you want. And if you click over the customize button, here you can see a lot of different options that we can customize, and you can choose whatever you want to make your graph presentable. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. And I hope you found this video useful. Please like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Hi, this is Felix once again, and welcome back to Make It Easy. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how to hide rows and columns in Google Sheets. So I have some data in here. And imagine that I wanted to hide the inventory sales columns on this sheet. I can just click the drop down menu of the column and then select hide columns, and that's it. Now you see an icon over where the hidden column normally would be. Just click on this and then you bring the column back. To hide a row, just highlight the entire row and then right click and select hide row. And an icon will appear again where the hidden row is located, which you can click on to restore. So what if you want to hide multiple columns or rows at once? So just highlight the range of column you want it to be hidden. Right click anywhere on the highlighted range and select to hide the columns chosen. And again, an icon appears that allow you to unhide the columns if you wanted to view it again at any time. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. For today's video, I'm going to show you a quick video about freezing rows and columns in Google Sheets. So I have some data in here. A lot of data, so I'm scrolling down. In some point, it's hard to see which column is what because when I'm scrolling down, the labels we have on top, the industry name, number of firms, inventory sales, inventory enterprise value, number of days sales in inventory, they will disappear when I'm scrolling down. It's a little bit nicer if we could just keep this column on top and the row on top all the time. As we scroll down, we can see what the label is. So all we have to do is select the first row on top and go over view. And the first thing you're gonna see is the freeze option. In this case, we're gonna freeze the first row on top. And go ahead to click one row just like that. And that's all I really had to do. So at this point, when I'm scrolling down, the labels are staying on the top. And so I'm going back there, view, freeze, and then no rows to remove that. So now it's back to its default behavior that we have. And we can also freeze, in addition to this, the columns. So if we had a lot of columns going to the right, we might want to make sure there's a column we care about. Just for example, the industry name and the number of firms, or whatever you want. And again, we need to click the last column you want it to be freeze. And there's a simple option by going to view, freeze, then select the up to current column. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. And I hope you found this video useful. Please like, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button for more videos.